So if you don't know what is going on right now, residents have blocked the Onitsha bridgehead leading to Asaba. Vehicles coming from Asaba into Anambra cannot come in, and vehicles going outside Anambra cannot go out. This is as the result of the ongoing protests over the sit-at-home exercise.
That bridge blocked. Onitsha to Asaba blocked. No way in, no way out. Onitsha to Asaba blocked. No way in, no way out. Stand still. Stand still.
Meanwhile, Governor Soludo addresses the ongoing protest by traders and residents over the one-week ban on Onitsha main market.
And I will say that we came in first. We didn't want to come with any force or coercion. We had meetings, multiple meetings with leaderships of various markets. I was in one of them. I visited some of the markets, the main market particularly. I visited it. Asked them to open the main market. Because as you come everywhere else, I drove through Ochanja the same Monday. All the streets, street trading everywhere. So anybody talking about, oh, it's because of insecurity, it's madness. Because the same Onitsha, all the streets are filled with traders trading on the streets. But then they lock up the shops at the main market. They lock up the shops at the major markets. It's no longer sit at home. Because sit at home meant you sat in your home. But now everybody is in the streets, but doing everything else but opening their shops. This must end. But I don't think it's because of maybe lazy habit, like I said. When an abomination has lasted for a year, people try to normalize the abnormality. Make it normal. Monday, our own calendar. We must adjust to the calendar of the rest of the world. If we want our people to do something else, you know, no. The rest of the world cannot adjust to the Southeast and Anambra State to move forward. And I raised another puzzle. We've just discovered in main market, you have over 150 security persons working there. That's a subject for another day. So anybody who talks about, oh, it's because of security or insecurity, you have 150 security personnel there. Are they working to secure the market, or are they the saboteurs? We will come to that in the next few days. Like I said, the cost to Anambra State is enormous. People think about revenue. I'm talking about a larger economy. The traders themselves, that each day that you don't go to market, you don't know how many businesses that you've lost. You don't know how many businesses are moving out of Onitsha to elsewhere. Because Monday is almost the most important day of the week. That's when suppliers, the people demanding for goods, that's when they must go and open up. So if you are not opening, people are opening, relocating elsewhere. That's what we mean by the cost to the state. The place will keep getting down and down economically. And like I said before, we're not going to train our children in the 21st century by going to school 4 days a week. Absolute nonsense. And this, of course, obviously has stopped. We're going to open the schools, and we're going to take the same measures. If you are running a private school, if you are not open, I'll come and slam it and lock it up. Because we've given you the permission to operate there as a school. And in Anambra, the school days are Monday through Friday. If you are going to close it for any day, you've got to get a special permission. One says, it is their right. It is your right. Fair enough. But I also have a right to even revoke the ownership of that place in public interest. If we start exercising rights, everybody starts exercising his rights and powers, then that will get us zero to nowhere. But all this nonsense must stop. The banks, I have a meeting with them now. Public service, petrol stations, public servants, of course, we now have it. If you don't come to work,